All right, so to those who are here already, so actually we are already done. Okay, we are already done with our consultation time. So if you guys do not have a question or clarifications anymore, then you guys may not go. Okay, so gusto ko lang tapusin yung meeting natin ng maayos. Kaya but if you have something to do, so yeah, you may now go and start doing it. By the way, I just have a question. I'm just curious if all of you here are third years.
Second year, sir.
Second year. Let's see. So sa mga di pa nag-comment dito sa case study number 1. So comment pa. So dadalawa pa lang. Okay. There's actually 40 students in this class. So I'd like you guys to participate with this one. This is 20 points. Okay, malaking bagay na yan. First year poster. Halo-halo. So supposedly, as far as I know, this first number right here, C1, 3B, indicates your year level. And sabi na isa, second year siya. And then we have 1, which is first year. So I'm not sure. Anyway. So wait lang tayo ng 2 minutes sa lahat para minsanan na lang. So while waiting, pwede ka magtanong-tanong, no? Kahit ano, basta related sa mga modules natin. So most of you are second years, all right? Or mostly are first years, or maybe third years. Not sure. So would you guys please share your year level? Sino dito ang first year? Okay, so Miss Flores is a first year and Miss Eliza Faye Antonio is second year. How about the others? Second year, second year. Okay, so thank you so much for cooperating or responding. So second year, wala yatang third year. All right. So since you guys are already second year, so most of you went to UC already, right? you have experienced face-to-face in UC. Am I correct? Well, except for the first years. Or hindi ba man lang kung nakapag-attend siya. Na-experience niyo yung face-to-face learning before, tama?
Yes, sir.
Tagal niyo
Yes, sir.
sumagot Feeling ko tuloy nasa kama pa kayo, nakahiga. Tapos naka-phone lang kayo. Tapos paidlip-idlip pa. Okay. So, I just have a question. Which one do you guys prefer from your experience? So, is it face-to-face learning or online distance learning?
Face-to-face, sir.
Face-to-face. How about the others?
Face-to-face pa rin, sir.
Face pa rin. Oo nga naman, mas feel mo talaga na nag-aaral ka kapag face-to-face. So, yeah. Especially, the one thing that you're missing here is the experience to have faith. Yeah, pwede ka na magkaroon ng real friend, pero iba kasi kapag personal. Yun lang naman sa tingin ko. And other experiences if you're outside with your friends. Kasi ngayon, lahat tayo nasa bahay. And when it comes to learning, I guess in some students, they said that online distance learning is much more convenient. Kasi nga, pwede mo naman siyang puntahan anytime. Especially we have this canvas and then you can visit the modules anytime. And the activities have much longer due dates. So mas maraming advantages actually. Kaso nga lang, that depends on the person. So my highly suggestion is, do not fool yourself. Okay, especially that we have the internet. Okay, you can just search the answer right away. Okay, so in that case, the learning is slowly making it a little bit nonsense. Okay, so it's like you're wasting your time, you're wasting your money. So hindi ka na natututo in that case. Dapat nag-brainstorm ka, gawin mo muna lahat na makakaya mo bago ka siguro humingi ng tulong sa iba, especially on the internet or Mr. Google. Okay. So lahat yon, alamin mo na ba yung makakayahan mo, hindi yung tulong ka na kaagad, nagre-rely ka na kaagad. Kasi in reality, we don't always rely on the internet. Okay. It's just a tool for us. Okay, na para tulungan tayo sa mga bagay-bagay na gagawin natin. Right, so anyway, seems that most of you are here already from the part 1. So as I'm saying a while ago, this is just a continuation of the consultation. So if you guys do not have a question anymore or a clarification, so you guys may now go and then start doing some of the activities or laboratories which I just gave today. Right? So again, we might not meet tomorrow. So I'll give that as your time to finish the laboratory number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And regarding with your quiz, so wait for my announcement on when is the exact date on when will you take module 1 and 2 quiz. So please review module 1 PDF and module 2 PDF this week so that you are now ready for the quizzes next week. All right. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's meeting. So any other concerns so far before we end our meeting?
None, sir.
All right. So, okay, so none. Right then. So that's it. Thank you guys for coming. So I hope that you guys will attend to our next Zoom meeting again. So thank you and goodbye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Monday next meeting, sir, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir.